Hey loves, it's Brianna. Today's video is a clean with me. You're gonna be cleaning out my garage. It got to the point today, I opened the door to the garage and I was like, babe, like I have an anxiety attack every time I open the door. Like I can't do this. So, warning, don't have an anxiety attack. I'm gonna show you what this looks like. Oh my God, my heart is racing. Trashed, like literally trashed. Like I don't even know why that is like tipped over there like that. It is so bad. Like some of those shelves I know he had organized and he like hung up the bikes and things, but like we look like freaking hoarders. Every time we open this garage, I just get sick. So enough is enough. We're cleaning this up today. And I think I even teased this in another video that like, I don't think you guys would even believe that this is what my garage looks like if you see how I keep my house. Not that my kids don't destroy it every single day, but like in the comments, like if you are shocked, tell me in the comments because I'm disgusted with myself, honestly. I kind of don't even know where to get started, so I just have to get started. If you're new here, once you stop judging me, I hope you click that red subscribe button while you watch, especially if you enjoy cleaning videos because I do at least one once a week on my channel. And if this gives you cleaning motivation today, let me know in the comments and click that thumbs up if it helps. So a little bit of the backstory, when we first moved into this house, my husband Adam was the one who set up the garage. But if you've been following, he's had some injuries recently. He had an abdominal injury over the summer and he got into a car accident and has been having a really hard time getting over the concussion. So thank you for your kind thoughts and prayers for him. So he just hasn't been able to keep up with maintaining the garage. And with me just trying to keep up with the house and the kids and my dad who's on hospice, this space has just clearly gotten neglected. So I just had to take care of this today. And if you like this video or like other videos on my channel, please share it on your socials. It helps so much. So thank you in advance for the support. And I'll explain my method for how to tackle this hot mess of a garage. First, I was purging as much as possible, but there were a lot of tools and lawn stuff that I just wanted my husband Adam to go through himself to determine what he wanted to keep, if there's anything we could consolidate. But anything that I knew I could get rid of or things that I knew I could add to our donation pile, I did. Then I just wanted to do a good sweep out, get as much dust and dirt that was on the ground and clean it out as much as possible. And then finally, I wanted to try to organize what was left into like categories, park the strollers and the kids' toys and stuff so they were more easy to access. And as much as I could put in the ceiling storage or on the shelf storage to get things off of the ground, I did. But eventually, I would love to get containers to make all of the shelf storage a lot more organized and aesthetically pleasing. So let me know if you have any ideas on how to make that better. All right, taking a break for a second to introduce the letters of the day. If you have not been following Vlogmas so far, go back to Vlogmas video number 1, and every day there are letters of the day. Unscramble them, and on our Christmas video, there's gonna be a link where you have to unscramble all of the letters, submit your entry, and the winner gets over $1,000 in prizes. There's a $500 Amazon card, $500 Spa Finder gift card, $100 credit to Grow Collaborative, so you can kick off your new year with some really good cleaning supplies. So make sure, write these letters down and enter that giveaway on Christmas. All right, and today's shout out of the day is Kimberly. Her channel is called Style Mom XO. She always has such good cleaning motivation videos. She also always has really good like style and decor videos. So I know you will like her channel. I will link it down in the description box below so that you can go check it out. And today's comment of the day is from Candace Walker. She said, "Oh my, your chat about compartmentalizing just hit home. I felt that panic in your voice. It is so much harder trying to do work at home with your kiddos at home. My two always need something from me and my work takes the back end. From my side, it's so much easier when you can go into an office to focus on that one thing, get it finished instead of feeling like you're juggling everything and dropping it all. I can't wait to see next year how you are going to block and organize everything, as I'd need tips. Thanks so much for being so open of what you're going through." I am so looking forward to January on my channel, talking a lot more about organization and scheduling and how I actually get my work done, because I do a lot of cleaning videos every single week, but I feel like in January I'll be sharing all of my New Year's resolutions and how moving forward for this next year ahead in 2019, I'm going to be changing up my schedule a little bit as far as how I work and things on my channel. So I will be sharing all of that with you guys, so make sure that your notifications are turned on, because those videos will be coming up so soon. I cannot believe that we're already December 10th. And this is a good one. The best way out is always through. Robert Frost. But I love that because I've been listening to Ed Mylett's podcast. He's a very like motivational, set really, really hard, almost unattainable goals for yourself and work your butt off to get there type of a like motivational speaker. And he had one of the, and I cannot believe, I'm sorry I'm blanking on her name because I listened to her for over an hour and she was incredibly inspiring. But she's one of the female WWE wrestlers. And she was talking about, and this really hit home for me, she recently lost her father to Alzheimer's. He was in his 60s as well, like so is my dad. So like older, but like you just know, like most people don't pass away in their 60s. Like that to me still feels very young in the scheme of things. And she was saying, as he was asking her, like, how did you get over this? And she's like, you can't go around these things. There's not a shortcut. Like, I feel like especially in American culture, it's like, what's the quick fix? Or like, what's the thing that's gonna be the Band-Aid? And like, there isn't. Like, it is just, you keep plowing through, you face the really hard things, and you just keep going. You make it through, and that's the way that, like, time obviously helps heal a lot, but like, you just, there isn't a shortcut, there isn't a Band-Aid, there isn't a quick fix. And I feel like that quote took me to that podcast. So I've listened to, it's like an Ed Mylett podcast, and it was just out, I think it was maybe the Tuesday before Thanksgiving was the one that she was on, but it was super inspiring and a good one to listen to. Claw clip was harmed in the making of this video. That's why my hair is down and crazy, and I've got a nice little stack of stuff that I'm gonna take to Goodwill, and oh my God, my back hurts so bad. I have earned a bubble bath and apothic wine tonight. Okay, I've been out here for like 3 hours now, and the this is good as it's gonna get for today. I definitely wanna do like another purge of some things, but honestly, like, it's Adam's stuff, so he's gonna have to tell me what can actually get purged or not. But I'll just do like a little tour of the after. I'm proud of myself. Like, I know it is not like a pristine Pinterest perfect garage, but it's like a garage that at least now is like cleaned up, not giving me anxiety when I look at it. So I just like had hung a few more things on this pegboard system. This is like the golf station, which honestly, this is where, I mean, I have my clubs, but Adam's gonna have to go through this stuff and figure out if there's anything we can purge. I kind of put any of the roping and car cleaning supplies there. Hung up all of like the rakes and shovels and mops and brooms and different like mop heads that we have out here. Put the shop vac and the fan there. I tried for so long to untangle that. That can be an Adam project too. Get well soon, babe. I put like his tools and his shoes there. Changed out the rug that we had because the other one was really old. Put the trash can right there, all of the beverages here, stacked those chairs. There's actually nothing in those tubs, but I think we just got a bunch of new like outdoor decor for Christmas, so I think we can then use those for storing them eventually. And these shelves, I tried to make, great, somebody's house alarm. But I try to make this top part coolers and then this kind of like cleaning and paint supplies, if that makes sense. This is all of like the sports equipment. Adam's also gonna have to go through that. And then this is kind of like the kids stuff, like the bubbles and chalk that I know that they play with all the time. Okay, and this is definitely where it's not quite as organized as I would like it, because honestly, like, Adam has to go through all of these things, tell me what he wants to keep. Same thing, like, I just don't think we need all of those buckets, but he's gonna have to make that call. And same thing with like all of his different supplies on this shelf. Like, I just put them all there, but he's gonna have to go through that and figure out like, can we condense anything? And we have a lot more pegboard storage, so it just kind of depends on Adam. But from what it was, where, I mean, this entire side of the garage was covered in junk. So I feel good to at least have like purged a ton. And I definitely like would love to eventually make that like Rubbermaid storage on those shelves so that it does look a little bit nicer. But at least for now, like, I can come out to my garage and not have a panic attack and everything's kind of parked. So I hope that this garage clean out video inspires you to tackle a like hideous, big, nasty, dirty, horrifying mess that you might have in your home. If I can do it, you can do it. And hopefully, like, we just don't ever want to get to that level ever again, and we can like keep refining and make this even better once my husband is feeling a bit better too. So stay tuned, because I'll definitely like share if we get like the tubs, or as we like get rid of the stuff on the shelf. I'll definitely share as we get it more organized. So click the thumbs up if you like this video. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, loves. Merry Christmas.